Hello friends, welcome to the video tutorials of compiler design. In this session we will discuss about the hard coding and automatic generation lexical analyzer, and we will discuss the finite automata, NFA and DFA. So let me start the session. Please like and subscribe the channel. This is Rajul Suthar, Assistant Professor of Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, Bhat Gandhinagar. So what do you mean by hard coding and automatic generation lexical analyzer? Lexical analysis is about identify the patterns from the input. We all familiar what is the patterns and what is the lexeme and special symbols. To recognize the pattern, ट्रांजेक्शन डायग्राम दैट्स ऑलरेडी वी डिस्कस. हमने ट्रांजेक्शन डायग्राम प्रीवियस सेशन में डिस्कस किया था कि कैसे हम ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं ट्रांजेक्शन डायग्राम. स्टार्टिंग स्टेट और एंडिंग स्टेट क्या होता है. ओके, देन इट इज़ नोन एज अ हार्ड कोडिंग लेक्सिकल एनालाइजर. जो हम ट्रांजेक्शन डायग्राम ड्रॉ करते हैं, कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अ हार्ड कोडिंग लेक्सिकल एनालाइजर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टू रिप्रेजेंट द आइडेंटिफायर इन सी, फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर मस्ट बी लेटर एंड अदर कैरेक्टर आर आइदर लेटर और डिजिट. एक एग्जाम्पल हम यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं कि सी में हम आइडेंटिफायर जो रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, जैसे कि ये ट्रांजेक्शन डायग्राम है. स्टार्टिंग 1 to 2 means start from one state and we are typing the letters or characters. So the first character must be letter and other character are either letter or digit. This is our condition. This is our condition. First character must be letter, so we require this letter. Okay, and other character either letter or digit. So what is the second? It may be letter or digit. Okay, it covers the letter or digit. So this is our final state. By this way you can represent the transaction diagram, so that this transaction diagram or this structure is called the hard coding. So we can say that this is the final state. To recognize this pattern, hard coding lexical analyzer will work with the transaction diagram. Automatic generation lexical analyzer take special notation as a input. We require the special notation as a input. For example, Lex compiler tool will take regular expression as an input and find out the pattern matching to that regular expression. Let me discuss about the finite automata. This type of topic also covered in TC, like a theory of competition. So this is the same as a finite automata in a theory of competition. Finite automata are a recognizer. FA, we can say that FA is a simply say that yes or no about each of the possible input string. It is accepted or not. Finite automata is a mathematical model that consists of the set of state. It's cover the set of state, उसमें state cover होते हैं. Then set of input symbol. Input symbol हम indicate करते हैं by using sigma sign, and transition function that move from one state to another state. So move, initial state is called S0 and final state is called the F, or we can say that it is a accepting state. If any string is accepted or not by its depend on the final state. Means if string is accepted, so it will be reached to final states. Types of finite automata. First DFA and second NFA. So what do you mean by DFA? Deterministic finite automata. So what is the deterministic finite? Here one figure indicate the DFA. Like if you are starting from one symbol, so each and every step means the state 1, 2 or 3, each and every state cover on single transaction. It cover the only single transaction. It move only to the next state or it repeated state. So we can say that deterministic finite automata DFA have for each of the state exactly one edge. It have exactly one edge, leaving out for each of the symbol. Okay, remember this. And what do you mean by NFA? NFA means non-deterministic finite automata. There are no restriction on the edge leaving a state. There can be several with the same symbol as a label. Remember this. And some edge can be labeled with the epsilon symbol. Epsilon means, remember, this epsilon is only for empty string. So what is this NFA? If you draw the NFA, so this way means, look at this figure. Here one state cover more than one edges for leaving a state. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि NFA में FA में क्या हो रहा है, एक स्टेट से आप दूसरे स्टेट जा रहे हो. सो एक स्टेट के रिपीटेड स्टेप कौन से है, सिंगल है. यानी कि इसको अगर आप लूप करो तो वो एक ही कंडीशन के लिए, यानी कि बी के लिए वो एक्सेप्टेड होगा, ओनली अदर के लिए वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं होगा. लेकिन यहाँ पे आप NFA में ट्राई करो तो क्या होगा, ये बी के लिए भी एक्सेप्टेड है एज वेल एज ए के लिए भी एक्सेप्टेड है. देन अगर दूसरी बार ए आ रहा है, सो इट मूव ऑन और लीव द नेक्स्ट स्टेट. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द NFA. ओके, सो दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन DFA एंड NFA. आपको क्या करना है, पूरा लिस्ट आउट करना है डिफरेंस बिटवीन NFA एंड DFA और मुझे सेंड करना है. ओके, देन regular expression to NFA using Thompson's rule. Here the Thompson's rule indicate first for epsilon, that is construct the NFA. So how can we create a NFA? We require the null symbol or epsilon symbol for empty string. So it start with I state and it complete with the final state, that is a F. Okay, so this is for empty string, construct the NFA. Then if you are creating the NFA for a in a sigma, that means the string only valid for a string. So this type of a NFA will be created. Starting state I, that is called initial state, and if string cover any characters cover the a symbol, a character, so it will be accepted. Then for regular expression ST means this type of a equation, and S and T. So this is the first state, it is starting state with the I, and this is the final state. Between this intermediate state is covered. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि NS and NT के बीच जो है that is called intermediate state, दोनों को combine करता है S and T. So इसका एग्जाम्पल AB, अगर आपको कोई रिपीटेड स्ट्रिंग चाहिए AB, सो आप NFA आपका कैसे क्रिएट होगा फॉर रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन ST. दिस इज द सिंपल एग्जाम्पल. देन इसका एग्जाम्पल ये नीचे दिया गया है कि पहले आप A कवर कर रहे हो, ओके, देन B कवर कर रहे हो. सो फाइनल स्टेट कौन सा होगा, ये थर्ड नंबर, यानी कि AB जहाँ पे आपकी स्ट्रिंग आएगी वो आपका फाइनल स्टेट होगा. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सेप्टेंट स्टेट. फॉर रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन NFA यूजिंग थॉम्सन्स रूल, अगेन वी विल डिस्कस. सो दिस इज फॉर S and T. S or T means here S will be accepted or T will be accepted. So what is the figure of NFA? This type. It start with initial symbol and it will be completed by using the epsilon symbol. So we can say that first one is a n of S state and NFA of T state, and again epsilon symbol is covered for empty string, and it will be final state, means either this S state will be covered or either it will be T state will be covered, A or B, this way. If your string cover A, then it will be follow this path and reach to final or acceptance state, or it will be follow this path. For regular expression S star means A star or B star. So this way, this is the initial state. Empty string also accepted in NFA, remember this. So for empty string we require the epsilon symbol. N of S also it cover the epsilon symbol, and for final state after covering the N of S means NFA of S state, final state also cover the epsilon symbol. So each and every state cover the epsilon symbol in NFA. If you are working with the DFA or finite automata, so epsilon symbol will not covered. Then this is the example for acceptance A star. A star means 0 or more occurrence. For 0 occurrence we require this empty state, so it will be start with first state, then it cover the empty state, so epsilon symbol, then second A, and then again empty state, and this is the our acceptance state. So A star का NFA क्या होगा, इस तरह से आप क्रिएट कर पाओगे. ईच एंड एवरी स्टेट कवर दी एम्प्टी स्टेट. सो आपको क्या करना है, अगेन उसको रिपीटेड करना है और एम्प्टी स्टेट जितने भी है वो भी इंडिकेट करने हैं फॉर NFA. A स्टार B के लिए क्या होगा, हमें पहले क्या क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, A स्टार, यानी कि A के आगे पीछे क्या आएगा, एम्प्टी स्ट्रिंग, एंड B के लिए आप अप्लाई करो. उसके बाद क्या आता है B, लेकिन B के ऊपर स्टार नहीं है, सो क्या होगा, यहाँ पे रिपीटेड नहीं होगा. ओके, B स्टार AB, इसके लिए क्या होगा, B स्टार्टिंग सिंबल with empty string and with empty string, and this will be repeated, and finally we require the AB. So this AB will be covered here, A and B. This is your exercise for convert regular expression to NFA. Thank you for attending the session.